I'm Gautam Seth, Joint Managing Director of HPL Electric and Power Limited. HPL, we are an integrated manufacturer and supplier of all electrical and electronic products. We are one of India's largest smart meter manufacturers. We are also into switchgears, we are into lighting, wire and cable, solar products, and fans. So, overall, we cover a very wide variety of products, almost like a single stop shop for all electrical, lighting, wiring, and metering solutions. Our products are used in all types of retail, residential, commercial, industrial, and as well as for the city infrastructure, which is the municipal corporation or the utility. And we have a pan India network where we have over 1,000 dealers and distributors and over 83,000 retailers. We are exporting to 42 countries, and our manufacturing is very well backward integrated. We have most of our products have NABL laboratories. We even have laboratories which are certified by international agencies. So, in all, as a company, we offer. I would repeat it. It's as a single stop shop for all the requirements what consumers may have in our respective segments. If you see, as HPL, we are very much focused on R&D. So our efforts in R&D are very strong. We have a team of 175 people right now who are full-time focused on the R&D innovations. In this exhibition here, we present a lot of new ranges of energy meters. Our smart meter, which is the top of the line technology, what we have is displayed here. Yesterday, in fact, we launched a new meter with inbuilt the gateway, and which is the first of its kind, where the technology is from Wirepass and from Wirepass Finland, and I think that's the first of the kind of technology used here, which again makes the meter much more reliable and much more cost effective with better integrated communication network. So also in switchgear, where we have the industrial switchgear, where we have launched almost 14 new solutions and products. So those are again they are going to be much more effective. It makes the product much more sustainable, much more energy efficient, and better for the grid. And so we have multiple solutions, whether they are in automatic transfer switches, MCCBs, in the changeover segment. So each of the product segments where we are strong, we have launched certain new products. We're coming to the other in the domestic range. We have the AFDDs which have been launched. There are also new range of distribution boards which are there, new range of switches which are there, accessories. So a very wide range of switchgear and accessories have been on display here, which have been launched. Even the other segments like fans, where we have the new BLDC range, again a complete range of very aesthetically and technically strong fans, what we have launched. Lighting again presents a new range for us, where this is. So, in all, if you see, HPL as a company, we have been for many years focused on innovation, on R&D, and what you see here in the Elecrama is definitely it's a result of the efforts what we have been putting in for a long time on innovation and on technology-driven solutions. Yeah, so if you look at, we've come out with a higher end, the higher ampere automatic transfer switch. So it's up to 1600 amps. That's what it covers. Then we have a new automatic transfer controller, which is there. A lot of new products of DC, the solar products which are there up to the 800 and 1500 volts, and they are all tested and certified. So that again makes them much more marketable and acceptable by the customers. AFDD is again a new product worldwide where we have been so that has been launched here. In terms of switches, the modular switches again an aesthetic range, new ranges of uh, different plates which go aesthetically very well in residential and commercial complexes. So that has been launched. So in all, I think the list goes on and on. But yes, there are a lot of innovations which are there, which will make the product much more acceptable, despite being the cost-effective solution. No, Elecrama is, I think, very important for us, and I think the every 2 years this happens. So this becomes something where we also benchmark ourselves from every 2 years that how the company is moving, what kind of product offerings we are having, and each time we see the our own company growing from Elecrama to Elecrama, and also the whole show also growing. So this time I think it is probably in the largest format. We have been participating in Hanover in Germany and in Dubai in the NEEE, and I think this format of Elecrama is probably the largest now in the world. I think even the sheer participation of overseas players, small, medium enterprises, large enterprises, I think it's something really a great platform for a company like us, and we really value that because we are able to showcase our new products, our existing range, and it becomes a good meeting point for us, whether we meet our dealers, distributors, customers, utility, and the foreign clients. So overall, I think this is something we look forward to, and it's something which probably anybody relevant in the electrical or in the metering or other industry should look at participating here in the future, so that one can connect with the right audience and take their products to globally different geographies.